So, you know, when you've gotten to a point where you've just established a really strong routine and you're feeling like, yes, I did it. I feel so good. But then something just punches you off the wagon. Yeah, I'm currently in that stage. I feel like I have been on the wagon for a really long time, but I feel like just recently with the traveling and I kind of got sick, there's a whole slew of things happening right now and I have just drifted away. However, just as easy it is to fall off the wagon, you can get back on. That is what today is going to be for me, doing the things that make us feel good. Starting off with journaling. I'm not going to pretend that I've been good about this. I journaled yesterday, and the journal entry before that was like 18 days prior. But we're getting back on the bandwagon. During my recent trip to Italy, I went to the CB store and I got this little bag and it matches my journal. My skincare routine is very minimal, but currently I'm liking the Biosense products. I've tried a couple and I've really been liking these ones. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on was regarding triathlon training. The real ones already know this, but I started training for my first triathlon last year. And this year I was about to do another one. I actually did like properly start training for it. There ended up being a bunch of last minute like events and travel things that came up. And I was like, oh, I don't know if it's gonna happen. Sam and I were actually gonna do this one together. Something that I proposed recently is doing the Honolulu Marathon. Everyone just talks about doing a marathon. It's just like, oh yes, marathon this, marathon that. Surely it can't be that hard. And then I ran for the first time in a while, like a couple days ago, and I was like, the triathlon distance that I did was so short that I did feel like with confidence from the beginning, like, yeah, I can do this. This one, I feel I'm just a little bit worried about like the wear and tear it could have on my body, but it's summer. We're starting now. But yeah, that's like the next goal that is currently in the pipeline. And who knows? I might love running. I might end up not liking it that much. But yeah, I'm currently running twice a week. We're easing into it. I also want to like continue to focus on strength training just to make sure I don't get injured or anything. I'm using an app called Runna. It gives a lot of like running tips and then it also makes like a custom plan. I'm not a runner, so I could use all the help I can get. Oh, and another thing, I got an Oura ring. Oura rings are these rings that like track your vitals and stuff, so it like monitors your sleep and it's connected to an app so you can see all your vitals. Did not sleep that great last night. The only reason I even got the Oura ring is because I have a founder's card. It's different from a credit card. It's more of like a membership card that has different like perks and discounts, and when you get access to the dashboard you can see a whole slew of discounts for things like flights, cruises, hotels. I used to work on cruises and there's some good discounts on companies like Virgin Voyages, Regent, Seabourn. Those ones are usually pretty expensive. The last time I talked about Founder's Card, I actually said I was interested in getting an Oura ring and I was like, well, here it is. So far I'm loving it. I love that it's a lot more discreet than something like a wristwatch. I've had it for like a month or two now. There's actually 250,000 travelers and entrepreneurs who use it. And right now you can actually try Founder's Card for a whole year for free using my link below, which gives you access to over 200 discounts and perks. If you travel even a couple times a year, I would say it's definitely worth at least trying. You can use my link in the description to get a free trial. Generally, I'm not a runner. I have not been practicing running, but by telling myself that I am, it's gonna make it a whole lot easier to become one. 5 miles done. My face is a tomato. We did it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sore. Part of me wants to say that I've never done a 5-mile run before. Because when I was doing my triathlon, I didn't run a far distance. It was literally like a 1-mile run. So we just got back. I am hot and sweaty. I feel the salts build up on my skin, which I haven't felt that in a second. So that is always nice. So I think we're just gonna start getting ready for the day. When Sam and I first moved to the city, we did a pottery class and I made This little guy, it's a bear. I even made a hole for his hand so I could put flowers here. This is Rye's mushroom coffee. I did a brand deal with them a while ago and they gave me a ton. But something I recently learned, especially for women, caffeine can be a bit of a stressor during like the second phase of the cycle. This one has less caffeine, but with a lot of the benefits of the mushrooms, so. Mushroom coffee and yogurt. It's literally just protein powder, yogurt. I put some peanut butter, honey, and then topped it with strawberries. Currently, I'm trying a bunch of different protein brands just to see which ones I like the best. This one is Kachava. There are a couple things that I need to do. First of all, there's a couple work things that I want to do. I also need to pack. I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks and then I'm going to come back to do my secret job. And then a triple date with laser tag. I have been sitting here for approximately 2 hours. The next thing on the list, packing. It may not look like it, but my room is in shambles. Sam and I are gonna be moving in together when we get back from Australia in August, but his lease finishes before mine, so he's starting to like bring stuff over here so that we have a place to store his things. His stuff is kind of like hiding in different nooks and crannies, and it just kind of makes me feel like, yeah, we got it. I'm trying to leave in like 2 minutes. I'm kind of bummed because I really liked my outfit earlier, but I need to wear closed-toed shoes, so I changed. Laser tag will do that too. Last time in here for the next 2 weeks. Bye. We just made it to Sam's apartment. Trucking along New York City with 2 suitcases is no joke, but we did it. And honestly, people were so nice today. There were 2 people who helped me let the night begin. And we just finished. We went to Ayala.
And we had this amazing cow duck.
It's like a crispy duck curry. They're really famous for the mango sticky rice. Yeah, that was actually my first time having mango sticky rice. And yeah, they have really special mangoes. They're like champagne mangoes that are nice and sweet. And now we are all fueled up
for laser tag.
Laser tag. The competitive nature is gonna come out.
All right, I'm excited.
So you better hope that we're on the same team.
If we're on a different team. If we're on the same team, we're going up.
Yeah! Who won laser tag?
Allie.
Who's the winner?
Allie is.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be a winner?
Feels pretty good.
Feels pretty good.
I feel like today has been such an amazing day. Even though the contents of the day itself were awesome, there was a lot of fun in the evening and a lot of productivity in the morning. I feel like seriously just starting off so strong makes me feel so good. Even though I'm gonna be waking up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. I am gonna continue to make an effort to do my journaling and just try and keep my habits intact as much as possible. But in reality, no one is perfect 100% of the time, and we're all just doing the best we can. Thank you guys for joining my day in New York City. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos and check out the link in the description for a free trial on Founders Card. I'll see you guys next time.